Let's quickly look at some concepts in MindView and how to mind map. We've got multiple options here, but keep it simple. These are the directions that you want to actually create your mind map. For example, top and work your way all the way down. Just going to close the note at the bottom. But I want to work actually, I'm going to go back to new. I'm going to leave it on mind map top left. Now we're good to go. So let's just say you've got some research to do. So what should we put in? Let's just put health in as an example. And then left click off of that. Now if you should double tap on the background, you can have multiple ideas in. So we could put in heart, double tap the background again, liver, kind of get the idea with this. Maybe we go on to cardio and so on. Then you can start dragging your brainstorming about. So I might look at heart and drag that onto health. Then I might put liver next and then cardio afterwards. And there you go. I've created a simple mind map with my ideas structured. Always remember to work, click on heart. Always remember to work clockwise. If you forget, come to the top, select numbering scheme and number it. So if I was to drag liver above heart, you can see how it changes its number. So you always keep structure. Let's drag it below heart again. So there's first your mind map, simple one, but then you want to break that down. So if I double tap heart and double tap again, I can break heart down into subcategories. So let's just say I'm doing an essay. My title's health and my first paragraph's heart. So first thing I could talk about is structure of the heart. Then on the second part of my first paragraph, I could put blood flow. Get the idea with that, and then you can break down your second paragraph on liver. I did 2 sub-paragraphs, but you might not do any, or you could do 4. It's entirely up to you. Now I'm ready to add information into that. So if you come up the top, make sure it's highlighted, the one you want to add a note to, and select text note. See the note at the bottom? And then you can start writing your essay, or start putting your information in. Now MindView's got an option where it's got built-in referencing with this, but it also offers Zotero and Mendeley to integrate. Straight after this one's separate if you want to look into that as well. But let's just put in, see my knowledge doesn't go very far, so I've just put muscle intense blood flow. Any spelling errors, do a right click on it. You've got correction and you can change it quickly. So there's the first part of my first paragraph on heart. Now I'm going to select blood flow and again, text note again, up the top. Or click the F8 key on the keyboard, and again a few words on that. And there you go. Let's say you've just written your second part of your first paragraph on heart. And there we go. You might look at that, hold the left button, drag blood flow above structure. So in your first part of your paragraph, this will be your first part. And that will be your second. Again, you can highlight them. Come to the top and select the format option, and if you want to, you could color code them as well if you need to. So blood flow's got to be red, isn't it? Once you've created your essay through MindView, we can then send it to a Word document. The best option to do that is go top left hand corner to File and look for Export. Export it to Microsoft Word. And I always recommend do Custom, because you need to set it up how it will look in a Word document. Harvard APA, this doesn't make much difference really, it just gives you how it will look format. It doesn't give you the Harvard referencing system. Look at my other video I'll send you afterwards and it will show you how to use the referencing system in here. Okay, so I'm going to go to General anyway and untick Include Map View and select Export. Choose we're going to save it to. I'm going to save that to my desktop and select Open Document. Follow any links with yes. Table of contents, okay, and there we got it. So you can see my title, table of contents, and on the right everything structured to heart, blood flow, structure. So it's a good way to visually actually structure your essays, and also you can integrate Zotero references and Mendeley, so you can actually cite your work and essays you're doing it, but still get the final look there. So there's the first option.